I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for the subscription or billing section. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Select cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. This is usually a button labeled cancel subscription or similar. Click it to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. You may be asked to confirm your cancellation. Follow the prompts to finalize the process. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation message afterward. Remember, if you don't see the cancel button, it might be due to being on a promotional plan. Check your billing details for any special conditions. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly.